In the words of Roger Bacon, mathematics is the gate and key to the sciences. Now let us discuss complementary angles. Two angles are said to be complementary if their sum equals to 90 degree. Complementary angles. Two angles are said to be complementary angles if their sum equals to 90 degree. For example, A comma B are and A comma angle B are complementary if angle A plus angle B is 90 degree. If angle A plus angle B equal to 90 degree, A is the complementary angle of B, B is the complementary angle of A. 30 degree, comma 60 degree are complementary angles. 30 degree complementary angle is 60 degree and 60 degree complementary angle is 30 degree because 30 degree plus 60 degree is 90 degree. Let me find complementary angle of 15 degree. Complementary angle of 15 degree is the complementary angle of 15 degree. You know, if AB are complementary, angle A plus angle B is 90 degree. Let me take angle A as 15 degree. So 15 degree plus angle B is 90. Transpose 15 to the right. Angle B is 90 minus 15. 90 minus 15 is 10 minus 5, 5, 8 minus 1, 7. 75 degree. So complementary angle of 15 degree is 75 degree. Complementary angle of 75 degree is 15 degree. Complementary angle of theta is complementary angle of theta is 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta complementary angle is theta. Theta complementary angle is 90 minus theta and 90 minus theta complementary angle is theta. In this way we can find complementary angles. Again, angle A and angle B are said to be complementary angles if angle A plus angle B is 90 degree. Now let us see the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. I am taking a right angle triangle. ABC, right angle is at B, taking measure of angle A as theta, then what is the measure of angle C? We know sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. We know angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree in a triangle. Sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So that angle A, measure of angle A taken as theta. So that angle A is theta. Angle B 90 degree, 90 plus angle C is 180. Transpose plus 90 and plus theta to the right. That become angle C equal to 180 plus 90 become minus 90 plus theta as minus theta. 180 minus 90 is 90 minus theta. Angle C is 90 minus theta. Angle C is 90 minus theta. Theta complementary angle is 90 minus theta, and 90 minus theta complementary angle is theta. Here sum of three angles is 90 degree. Already angle B is 90, so that A plus C is 90. So angle A plus angle C is 90 degree. Angle theta plus here angle A is theta, angle C is 90 minus theta. These are complementary angles. Now we are going to see trigonometry ratios with respect to these complementary angles. With respect to theta, BC is opposite side to theta. AB is adjacent side to theta. Right angle opposite side is called as hypotenuse. With respect to 90 minus theta, AB is opposite side to 90 minus theta. AB is called as opposite side to 90 minus theta. Then BC is adjacent side to 90 minus theta. Adjacent side to 90 minus theta. Right angle opposite side is called as hypotenuse all the time. Now I am going to write sin theta, sin 90 minus theta, cos theta, cos 90 minus theta. Like a way, all trigonometric, 6 trigonometric ratios I am going to write with respect to theta and 90 minus theta. First of all, with respect to 90 minus theta, sin 90 minus theta, opposite side to 90 minus theta by hypotenuse, that is AB by AC. AB by AC. Then cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta is adjacent side to 90 minus theta by hypotenuse, that is BC by AC. Next, with respect to theta, sin theta is equal to opposite side to theta by hypotenuse, that is BC by AC. Next, cos theta is equal to adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse, that is AB by AC. Next, let us write cosecant theta and secant theta. Cosecant 90 minus theta. Cosecant 90 minus theta is hypotenuse by opposite side to 90 minus theta, that is AC by AB. Next, secant 90 minus theta. Secant 90 minus theta is hypotenuse by adjacent side to 90 minus theta, that is AC by BC. Next, cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is equal to hypotenuse by opposite side to theta, that is AC by BC. Next, secant theta. Secant theta is hypotenuse by adjacent side to theta, that is AC by AB. Next, let us write tan theta and cot theta values. Tan 90 minus theta. Opposite side to 90 minus theta by adjacent side to 90 minus theta, that is AB by BC. AB by BC. Cot 90 minus theta. Cot 90 minus theta is adjacent side to 90 minus theta by opposite side to 90 minus theta, that is BC by AB. Next, with respect to theta, tan theta is equal to opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta, that is BC by AB. Tan theta is equal to BC by AB. Next, cot theta. Cot theta is equal to adjacent side to theta by opposite side to theta, that is AB by BC. Let us see the relations between these trigonometric ratios with respect to theta and with respect to 90 minus theta. If we observe these trigonometric ratios, sin 90 minus theta is AB by AC, cos theta is AB by AC, sin 90 minus theta equals to cos theta, cos 90 minus theta equal to BC by AC, sin theta equals to BC by AC. So cos 90 minus theta equals to sin theta. So the result I am writing here, sin 90 minus theta equals to cos theta. Sin 90 minus theta equals to cos theta, and cos 90 minus theta equals to sin theta. We can observe one more result here. Cosecant 90 minus theta is AC by AB. Secant theta also AC by AB. So these two are equal. Cosecant 90 minus theta equals to secant theta. Cosecant 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta. Next, secant 90 minus theta is AC by BC. Cosecant theta also AC by BC. So that secant 90 minus theta equal to cosecant theta. Secant 90 minus theta equals to cosecant theta. These two are equal. Next, if we observe tan theta and cot theta, tan 90 minus theta is AB by BC, cot theta is AB by BC. These two are equal. Tan 90 minus theta equals to cot theta. Tan 90 minus theta equals to cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta is BC by AB, and tan theta also BC by AB. These two are equal. So cot 90 minus theta equal to tan theta. Cot 90 minus theta equal to tan theta. If we observe these results, in case of complementary angles 90 minus theta and theta, sin changing to cos, there is a change in sin to cos, cos changes as sin, cosecant changes secant, secant changes cosecant. In case of complementary angles 90 minus theta and theta, tan changes cot, cot changes tan. So in case of complementary angles, change of trigonometric ratios like this. 90 minus theta change it to theta, theta change it to 90 minus theta. Sine will change as cos will change as sine, cosecant will change as secant will change as cosecant, tan will change as cot will change as tan. Here the condition where theta is an acute angle, where theta is an acute angle. In case of complementary angles, trigonometric ratios are like this way. Now let us observe trigonometric ratios of some complementary angles. Sine 30 degree 1 by 2, cos 60 degree 1 by 2. Here 30 plus 60, 90. Here in this case 30 plus 60 is 90. 30 degree plus 60 degree is 90 degree. Sine 45 degree is 1 by root. Cos 45 degree is 1 by root. Here in this case 45 degree angle A plus angle B. 45 degree plus 45 degree is 90 degree. In case of complementary angles, if sin A equal to cos B, from this we can conclude, if sin A equal to cos B, then angle A plus angle B is 90 degree, where A comma B are acute angles. If sin A equal to cos B, where A comma B are acute angles, then angle A plus angle B is 90 degree. Tan 30 1 by root 3, cot 60 degree is 1 by root 3. Tan 60 degree root 3, and cot 30 degree also root 3. Here 30 plus 60 90, here 30 plus 60 plus 30 90. Tan 45 1, cot 45 1. So we can conclude, if tan theta equal to cot tan A equal to cot B, then angle A plus angle B is 90 degree, where AB are acute angles. Angle A comma angle B are acute angles. Similarly, we can write, if cosecant theta equal A equal to secant B, we can observe this result. If cosecant A equal to secant B, then angle A plus angle B is equal to 90 degree, while angle A comma angle B are acute. In case of acute angles, if sin A is equal to cos B, then angle A plus angle B equal to 90 degree. In case of acute angles, if tan A equal to cot B, then angle A plus angle B is 90 degree. If cosecant A equal to secant B, then angle A plus angle B is 90 degree. If cosecant A equal to secant B, then angle A plus angle B is 90 degree, where AB are acute angles.